So here we have the live demo of the AutoMeter. So as you can see, when I click on the application, I'm directed to 4 different cities as in options. So right now we are adding 2 more cities, which is Mumbai and Bangalore. So the user, by this, the user is not only limited to one different option, one different city, but to 6 different cities. So since right now I'm in Delhi NCR, I'll be choosing Delhi NCR. So here we have a couple of options, which is calculator, offline tracker, online estimator, and the reporter. So the calculator, you can call it as the offline estimator or the offline calculator. So what it requires is an input from the user in kilometers. So if the user knows he or she will have to travel, say, about 5.5 kilometers, the user will input 5.5 kilometers and get the cost. So if the user says, okay, it's not 5.5, it's 6 kilometers, the cost will be updated. Now this is a very simple tool but a very helpful one. There we have the offline tracker. Since I could not record the whole auto ride and record the AutoMeter of the auto rickshaw and record the screen at the same time, I will be doing a live demonstration here. So I'm going to fake my location from the current location to Hoskars metro station. As you can see, it says route is approximately 4.16 kilometers. So before starting it, I will first start the tracker inside the application. So you can see location started. Now I will just start this thing. So as you can see, the distance 0.19 and over here is 0.251. It's updating, as you can see. Now we have 0.450 and it has been updated here 0.50. So I'll just skip it to the end where I've reached the destination. Hey guys, so as you can see, I've reached the destination and I have completed 4.134 kilometers. Over here is also 4.11 kilometers, which is very close. So as you can see, now the fare has been given and the route has been completed. So I can close, and we are right now working on an option where the user can save the whole tracked ride. Now we have the online tracker, which does a similar thing, but it has Google Maps. But how is this so how is this different from the normal Google Maps application? So what this does is, this feature, it changes its route accordingly to the traffic. So Google Maps, when you input the origin and destination in Google Maps, it checks for this traffic at the time you input the destination. So what this app does is it checks the traffic at every turn you make and accordingly takes the decisions that it has to change its path. So sorry, has to change its route. So this online tracker I will not be able to showcase since I'm very limited on time. So here is the online estimator, which is again one of the most handy tools of this app. So here is that instead of going on Google Maps, checking the routes, checking the whole distance and then inputting in the offline calculator, you can just do it the same thing here. So you choose a starting point is Greater Kailash part 2, so where this is my current location. So as you can see, I'll input Greater Kailash part 2. Another destination will be where I spoofed my location to, which is Hoskars metro station. So it'll fetch the route information, and since there is only one route, it will say as you can see, the cost is 41 rupees only, so which was very close to the previous one, to the offline tracker. So instead of Hoskars, now I'm going to change it to somewhere a bit further, which is Vidya Mandir classes. So it's approximately 7 kilometers, 21 minutes and 65. So it's not calculated 1, it's not calculated 2, it's calculated 3 different routes. So as you can see, the destination is that B. You can ignore this B. This is a small bug this application has. So it gives the pop-ups for each and every route, starting from the darkest, which the darkest color is this, then it goes on to the blue, then the light blue. So we're working on this where instead of having pop-ups, it will have a small card view over here. Sorry for this. You'll have a small card view on those in the middle, which will have the prices for each and every different route. So if the user for now could not see the price, the user can click on the the button again and get the same routes. So now we have the reporter. The reporter is a very good tool if the user has to report. So what it does actually is, so as you could see, the pop-ups are still appearing. So now if the auto rickshaw driver is still overcharging or abusing or harassing, you could report the driver. So if you can input your name, you can input your mobile number, input your email ID at the rate whatever, input the plate number DL 6G71 1098. Reason for report: he abused me. And you will not be able to just send it like this. You have to first confirm that you're actually reporting it. So when you click send, the report has been sent to us. So the backend, which is for our backend, will have the data. So what we will do is send you a confirmation SMS to the user or a confirmation email to the user, so the user can actually confirm that the auto driver has that the sorry so we can confirm that the driver has actually abused or harassed. So this, we are taking these steps to actually minimize the false reports. So I'm going to now show a couple of screenshots where I show the offline tracker is actually very accurate to the AutoMeter of the auto rickshaws.